Okay, hello students. So, as I have sent two PDF files regarding that worksheet parallels and meridians, okay, worksheet CBSE content based. So here we are going with solution. I'm gonna share one screen with you. In that screen, I have solved all the answers. You just go through that. Okay, so you need to cross check, you need to verify your answers. Okay, so here I'm going to share one screen with you. uh, Along with me, just check that. Fine. Okay, so here you can see all the content. The first is blanks. So first one is the end points of the globe are called poles. Second, parallels are also called as lines of latitude. The prime meridian passes through Greenwich. Equator is the most important parallel. Parallels neither cross nor meet one another. The city Ujjain in Madhya Pradesh was taken as the prime meridian by the geographers and astrologers. Parallels are drawn at an interval of 10 degrees. There are 360 meridians on the globe. There are 90 parallels in the northern hemisphere and 90 in the southern hemisphere. The word meridian comes from the Latin word meridies, which means midday. To locate a place on the globe, we must know its latitude and longitude. Meridians are also known as lines of longitude. The portion of the earth lying above the equator is called northern hemisphere. The imaginary line running from east to west around the earth is called latitude. The network of parallels and meridians on the globe is called grid. The maximum distance between two meridians is at the equator. As we move away from the equator towards the poles, the length of parallels keeps decreases. Prime meridian is the starting line for all the longitudes. There are 181 parallels including the equator. All parallels are complete circles except North Pole and South Pole, which are points. Tropic of Cancer is measured as 23.5° north. All parallels are located at an equal distance from each other. Antarctic Circle is measured as 66.5 south. Now, second exercise is name the following. First one, network of latitudes and longitudes on the globe is called what? Grid system. The portion of the earth lying below the equator is called southern hemisphere. The imaginary lines running from north to south are called longitudes. 23 and half south latitude is called Tropic of Capricorn. Meridian which passes through Greenwich near London is called prime meridian. The prime meridian is marked as 0°. Equator is marked as 0 latitude. Prime meridian is also at 0°. 66.5 north latitude is known as Arctic Circle. The longest parallel is equator. The year in which it was decided to fix Greenwich near London as the starting point for numbering meridians, so it was in 1911. Imaginary line passing through two extreme points on a sphere. What is it called? An axis. And last one is define two things. The one is axis. So what do you mean by axis? An axis is a real or imaginary line on which something rotates. And what do you mean by scale? So what it represents? It represents the relationship between a measurement on a model and corresponding measurement on the actual object. So I hope all you have attempted that worksheet what I have sent on 3rd May. Please verify your answers with my answers, this answer keys. Okay. Thank you so much.